Hello everyone, myself Thakkar Mrudit Ajay Kumar studying in FY BCom. Today I am going to present a short presentation on the topic of my career objectives, my plans to achieve the same, and also I am going to analyze my plan. So, CA is my dream career. You must be wondering why I opt CA. How would I achieve that? What if I fail at some point? What are my plans after becoming a chartered accountant, etc. So, in this particular video, I have covered all such points. Career objectives. The Chartered Accountancy qualification opened door to a vast range of exciting career opportunities in every sector of business and finance, both in India and internationally. Chartered accountants are in constant demand both at home and abroad, being recognized for their technical competence, professional standards, and veracity. Becoming a chartered accountant combines innovative education with mentored work experience to produce accountants who possesses a greater ability to analyze and interpret business problems and develop a dynamic solutions. Perhaps that's why chartered accountants have the edge over their counterparts. They rise further and faster into more diverse and important role in the organization. How can I become a chartered accountant? As I have said, I am pursuing CA since last 10 months. I have appeared for CA Foundation examination in November 2020. Also, after appearing the examination, I have started my preparations for CA Intermediate. I will appear for CA Intermediate examination in November 2021. After appearing for CA Intermediate examination, I will immediately start my preparation for CA Final, and also I have a plan to start articleship during that period only. After clearing CA Intermediate and completing articleship cycle, I will appear for CA Finals. This seems difficult to achieve, but with my hard work, blessings of my parents, efforts of faculties, sooner or later I will achieve my goal. If at some point of my journey, if I could not manage to pass, I would analyze my errors and mistakes and try to resolve the same in my next attempt. One should understand that failure is not the end of a career, it is just that your success is postponed. So, to become a successful chartered accountant, I would work on the following skill sets: strong analytical skills, good conceptual understanding, good teamwork and communication skills, technical skills, and commercial understanding. Strong analytical skills. In order to be successful, a chartered accountant need to possess strong analytical skills. CA deals with numbers a lot, and it is crucial for them to have the ability to analyze them properly and make decisions based on those numbers. Analytical skills will also help them in solving complicated problems through logical and informed decision making with an intelligent approach. Good conceptual understanding. It goes without saying that only those chartered accountants who are conceptually thorough can become successful in the industry. They should have a strong understanding of various concepts, practices, and methodologies relevant to chartered accountancy in order to make progress. Good teamwork and communication skill. Many CAs opt to join large companies, organizations and handle their various finance, account and audit activities. They need good teamwork skills as they often form an integral part of a company's strategic top team and collaborate across various departments and multidisciplinary teams. They also need good communication skills to communicate complex technical information, financial data in an easy to understand manner and effectively communicate with team members, seniors, client, etc. Technical skills. In this digital age, technology is all around us. So, developing good technological skills has become necessary for everyone, including CA professionals. CAs need to keep themselves in touch and adopt the latest technology relevant to their profession in order to be successful. Commercial awareness. Chartered accountants are also required to possess excellent commercial awareness to become successful. Being commercially aware is an important skill. It helps CAs in having a good understanding of the business environment in which they or their organization and the clients are operating. This will also help them to understand various sectors of the business, competition, and associated issues and use the same of their advantage.